Do you ever feel like you're barely scraping by? Like no matter how hard you work, you just can't seem to get ahead financially? You're not alone. Millions of people feel the same way. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and discouraged, especially with the cost of living rising. But I'm here to tell you that there's hope. My mission is to empower you to take control of your money. You deserve financial security and peace of mind. Together we can make that happen. Life is expensive. We all feel it. Groceries, rent, gas, it all adds up. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking, I don't make enough money. But before we go any further, let's challenge that thought. Is it truly about not earning enough? Or could it be that you're not managing the money you do have as effectively as you could be? The truth is, many people who say, I don't make enough, are actually stuck in a cycle of poor money management. They might be spending more than they earn, not saving, or not investing wisely. This isn't about blame. It's about taking an honest look at your finances and identifying areas where you can improve. Because here's the good news. You have more power than you think to change your financial situation. Busting money myths. Let's debunk some common money myths that keep people stuck. Myth number 1. More money will solve everything. This simply isn't true. Many people who get a raise or a bonus end up right back where they started because they didn't address their spending habits. Myth number 2. I have a money problem. No, you don't. You might have a spending problem, a saving problem, or a budgeting problem. But you don't have a money problem. Money is just a tool. Myth number 3. I'm just not good with money. Anyone can learn to be good with money. It's like any other skill. It takes practice and dedication. Take control with AMD. I'm going to share a simple framework that can help you take control of your finances. AMD, automate. Set up automatic transfers for your savings and bills. This ensures you're consistently saving and paying your bills on time. Create a budget that works for you. Track your spending and see where your money is going. Dominate. Take charge of your financial future. Invest in yourself, your education, and your future. Remember, you have the power to change your financial situation. Start by changing your mindset. Embrace the AMD framework. You've got this.